President, Mr. Vijayendra, how would you like to react that Congress leaders are alleging that there are so many other allegations about BJP government and we are going to conduct ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿತಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Here in Ramnagar there is another this thing press meet is happening by Congress leaders. How would you like to react?
We don't care what Congress leaders are talking today. They are trying to escape from the responsibility. When the same Congress party which had promised the development in Karnataka, the same Congress leaders who had assured the people of Karnataka that they will give a corrupt-free government, has totally exposed today. They have been totally exposed. Congress government under the leadership of Siddaramaiah ji, so many scams has been alleged against this government, and Chief Minister himself has accepted that this government is involved in Estate Development Corporation scam. And whereas Muda scam, when the allegation is against Chief Minister himself, when the allegation is more than 5,000 crores worth has been looted in the Mysore Muda scam, he is bound to refer the matter to CBI investigation and is bound to resign from the Chief Minister's post.
Congress leaders are alleging that Siddaramaiah is the only most famous Hindu leader in South India, and by using Raju Bhavan, this is BJP's conspiracy to destabilize the government of Siddaramaiah. How would you like to react?
This is the most unfortunate part. The Congress party, the Chief Minister himself, who claims himself as a champion of Dalits and Ahinda community, has cheated the Ahinda people. The money which was meant for the development and welfare of the same Ahinda community has been looted by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah government himself. BJP has been alleging repeatedly that the Congress, if they come to power in Karnataka, they will make Karnataka as an ATM for their Congress high command. Our allegation has come true. Today Congress has been exposed. Congress is involved in so many corruptions, which is more than thousands and thousands of crores.
DK Shivakumar is talking about, especially right now in Ramnagar, they are having another protest against against this Padayatra itself, and he is alleging that there were so many scams during Yediyurappa's period. He said we are going to probe all that. How do you react?
DK Shivakumar speaking about corruption is the eighth wonder of the world. DK Shivakumar do not have any right to talk about corruption when he himself is stuck, when he himself is facing so many corruption charges and cases. How can he question Bharatiya Janata Party or Yediyurappa ji?
He directly asked you, saying he has challenged you, asking that how am I the forefather of all kind of corruptions? That's what the statement which you have made yesterday. He said that I've got the clean chit in ED and CBI case. How does Vijayendra make this kind of statement? What do you say?
Forget what DK Shivakumar is saying. He needs to give a lot of explanation. Today there are so many allegations against DK Shivakumar also. See, today DK Shivakumar, he does not speak about development of or welfare of the people of Karnataka. He is more interested in real estate. He talks about tallest tower in the country simply because he has hundreds of acres in and around that area. So DK Shivakumar does not believe in development. He is the master of corruption. Entire Karnataka is aware of this.
Some section of political analysts are also saying that this Padayatra is going to indirectly help DK Shivakumar itself to become next chief minister. How do you like to react?
Our Padayatra is against corrupt Congress government. When you talk about corruption, DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah are both sides of the same coin. They are known for corruption. Chief Minister himself has agreed that corruption has taken place in Estate Development Corporation. There is no question of we supporting DK Shivakumar or anybody else. Our fight is against corrupt Congress government, not about individual.
Rahul Gandhi has expressed his solidarity against this Padayatra. He is saying that he is standing with all the Congress leaders and there's no question of CM Siddaramaiah resigning from the power. And including DK Shivakumar, all the other ministers are with Congress leaders. That's what they're saying. And today morning in Mysuru, they have conducted a strategy meeting against this Padayatra involving all the ministers and MLAs of Mysuru region.
When Rahul Gandhi himself is the beneficiary of this looted money, when Gandhi family is the beneficiary of the money that has been looted by the Congress government here in Karnataka, what else can you expect from Rahul Gandhi?
Lastly and finally, in Yadgiri, there's a PSI whose murder is becoming a suspicious thing today. How would you like to react? And a lot of corruption allegations are coming up in that also.
When Chief Minister and his cabinet itself is involved in so many corruption cases, what else can you expect from Congress ML in the present Congress government? So this is not only the first case, there are so many cases where contractors have committed suicide because of non-payment and other people are also committing suicide. And this is the latest episode. Farmers have committed suicide because state government has not supported. But whereas Yadgiri case is concerned, entire Congress government is busy in looting money. So we'll see number of cases rising day by day.
Finally, do you think the same intensity and momentum of Padayatra can be maintained tomorrow also, or it will decline?
You are seeing the response in this Padayatra. Both BJP and JDS, all the Karyakartas who have come from across the state are very enthusiastic. You will see more numbers tomorrow.
Thank you. That's what all Vijayendra had to say too. Vijayendra is claiming that he is continuing the fight against Siddaramaiah through this Padayatra. With video journalist Mahesh Srilakshmi Rajkumar for Republic TV, Bengaluru.
ಅಶ್ವಥ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಶ್ವಥ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸರ್ ರಂಜಾನ್